1565, Spain landed on the Philippines. The Philippines was colonized by Spain for over 300 years. The colonization made significant events that makes the Philippines in the present, such as Spain spread Roman Catholicism. They introduced formal education and the Spanish language, faced numerous local revolts against oppression, forced labor, and high taxes, and the Philippine Revolution.
I found it! Where am I? Magandang umaga, baby. Good morning. Can I make tanong?
Ngunit hindi namin mawarang mamamili ka namin.
I'm so tired. Kanina pa ako nag-iikot dito, lakad ng lakad. Ang init-init pa ng damit na to. Is that Maddie? Maddie! Maddie! Madarina!
Paano mo nalaman ang aking ngalan, Bingbing?
Whatever. Tara na nga, marami pa ako tatanong sa'yo. Finally! This is my world.
Nasaan tayo, Binibini? Tila ngayon ko lamang ito nakita.
Ay, pagod na ako. Tsaka na natin pag-usapan. Maghanap muna tayo ng maupuan. Tara! Ayun! Tara, upo nga muna tayo dito.
Nasaan tayo, Binibini? Anong lugar ito?
Alam ko, nakukonfuse ka na din. I mean, naguguluhan.
Ang ibig mo bang sabihin na naguguluhan?
Ay, hindi ko na alam. Anyways, pwede ba ako magtanong? Anong tawag sa inyo nun? Yung window, in Filipino, tawag namin dyan bintana.
Ang iyong tinutukoy ba ay bintana?
Parehas lang yun. Teka lang. Eto. Telepono.
Telepono.
Teka lang ha. May papanood lang ako sa'yo.
안녕하세요. 저는 너리입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다.
Soliton Chow. Phone check in Jakarta.
大家好，我叫雷尔的是菲律宾人，我是 Swasia。
Magandang umaga. Ako nga pala si Almea. Ikinagagalak ko makilala kayo.
Ohayo minasan, watashi wa Ingrid desu, Philippine desu, BS 大学の学生です。今2年生です。専攻は英語です。23歳です。よろしくお願いします。
Ayan! Ayan yung mga language o lingwahe na ginagamit ng mga taga-ibang bansa.
Uy! Madeline! Erika! Akala ko ba't hindi pa kayo tapos? Ba't nandito na kayo? Ikakakita ko lang sa inyo dun kanina. Ba't ganun yung mga suot nyo? Buwan ng wika ba ngayon? Halika na kayo. Magla-lunch na tayo. Tara na naman tayo.
Tara na, magkalabas na ako!
Tumula tayo dito. Nakakabusog yung pagkain doon natin.
Oo nga, sa mga adobo ni Aling Nena.
Okay, anyways, ano pala, sabi ni Sir get ready daw sa quiz bukas. For sure, magsusunod na naman tayo ng kilay nito.
Oo, or else babagsak talaga tayo.
Kahit kailan talaga matapos yung diga mo eh. Ay!
Ay, naantok na ako. Pwede ba huwag niyo akong iwan? I-flip lang ako.
Sige, magpo-phone na lang ako.
Ang weird naman ng panaginip ko. Sa dami-dami ng pwedeng mapanaginipan. Bakit history pa?
Okay, class. Good morning, Agawa. Okay, class. Our topic will be about the evolution of English as lingua franca in the Philippines and Asian countries. So, our topic will be more focused on the history background of English as lingua franca in the Philippines and Asian countries.
So, good morning class. I'm sorry I cannot meet you today, but for now I'll be sending this video to you to study how English became a lingua franca, so please be guided. Watch this discussion video for our activity tomorrow. Today, our topic is English in Asian countries, and how English became the world's lingua franca through a combination of historical and contemporary factors like British colonialism. The British Empire's vast reach across the globe led to the spread of English throughout colonized territories. This established English as a language of administration, education, and commerce in many parts of the world. Second is the rise of the United States. The US emerged as a dominant economic and military power of the 20th century. This further solidified English global prominence, particularly in areas like science, technology, and entertainment.
As we wrap up our exploration of the English language in Asia, we've observed its transformation from a colonial influence to a key tool for global connection. English has played a significant role in shaping education, business, and technology throughout the region. while also merging with local languages and cultures to form distinct variations and expressions.